Joined by the management of Kaynes as we speak right now. Mr. Ramesh Kunhikannan, who is the Executive Vice Chairman, is joining us. Mr. Kunhikannan, thanks so much for taking the time. And this is the second time in a few days that you're speaking to us. And it's important that you do address your stakeholders and your investors. So first off, the stock is under pressure today as well. You've clarified things that might have gone wrong. What do you think the street is unhappy with at this moment?
See, we are concentrating on our job. Whatever concerns have been raised, we have already addressed. And we are concentrating on our job for meeting our quarter results and year results. So I am very confident the street will understand and they will reward what the company deserves.
That's absolutely a strong statement, sir. But has there been any conversation with your large investors, with institutional investors?
No, there was no conversation at all. Many of them are convinced about what we have said.
Okay. Are you aware of any large institutional investors exiting?
No, I am not aware.
Okay. So at this moment, therefore, it's incumbent on me to ask you this. You've clarified on the issues that were highlighted, and you've said that corrective measures will be put in place. I won't ask you about that again. What I will ask you is, if there's a message that you were to give your minority shareholders at this moment, because there's been a significant amount of wealth destruction, what would that message be, sir?
I am very confident what we have promised the market, we will deliver it. And I'm sure and certain there is nothing to get panic. Everything should be back to normal in the days to come in.
Okay.
Is what my statement is, if anybody asks me.
Okay. So just so that all of your investors are aware of what these promises are with regard to revenue projection or guidance or whatever, would you like to reiterate it?
See, we are not a company who works on quarter, but yearly results, whatever we have promised, north of 4,000 will be definitely achieved.
Understood. Wish you all the best for the rest of the year, sir. Thanks so much for taking the time.
Thank you.
All right. So, Sudeep, you've heard from the management and they seem to be confident that they will deliver on their long-term targets. What do you have to say?
Absolutely. I'll repeat what I mentioned already. I think if you're a little aggressive investor, it's a great time to enter into the stock at current levels. Have 1 year kind of time horizon. The growth opportunity is so humongous, they will definitely capture the growth. And I'm sure all these reports and all will be forgotten very soon.
Let me ask you about the technicals. Of course, very difficult to know when a falling knife will stop falling. And from that perspective, and I know for a fact that you wait for there to be a consistent up move before you get into a counter. When do you anticipate that opportunity will arise?
Spot on, Alex. I mean, there's no point, trying to catch a falling knife. You would want some sort of confirmation in terms of the price action and, preferably clubbed with the volume action. That seems to be missing on Kaynes right now. In fact, as we speak, the stock is down on the back of, very heavy volumes. 3,800, that's the medium-term support zone for the stock. That's the low that it's tested this time around as well. If it holds on, I don't anticipate a very sharp kind of an up move. The stock would then go into a time-wise consolidation. In fact, the same applies for, a lot of its peers like Dixon also. So I would wait and watch. 3,800 is the immediate level to watch for, but I wouldn't be in a hurry. There could be time-wise correction also coming in, in the stock.